Keep going. Oh!
Why did I
Holy
die there, bro?
Okay.
What an awful death, bro. Oh. Computers are expensive.
Yeah. I mean, I was gonna save for it, but then I was told that I could just get it. And then I'm like, wait, I just have to wait until Christmas? Fuck that. I'm just gonna sell some shit. But then I'm like, wait, no, I just bought my girlfriend a fucking birthday present, like $30. Now I have no money.
Damn.
Yeah, her birthday was today. She finally turned 12. I mean, what?
That was too good.
Santa just uses the bad ones, gives the sells the good ones to space you can.
What? I don't have
What?
mechanical keyboard.
No!
Wait, what the fuck?
Where did that come from?
That was
Because
funny.
I have goddamn office
Where are you
keyboard and it
recording?
doesn't have RGB.
Remind ya, I'm kinda wet, running down my vagina. Wet, running down my vagina. Wet, running down my vagina. Remind ya, I'm kinda wet, running down my vagina. Wet, running down my vagina. Wet, running down my vagina. Slurp that dick till it come. Slurp that dick till it come. Slurp that dick till it come. Smack my ass like a drum. Slurp that dick till it come. Suck that dick till it come. Slurp that dick till it come. Smack my ass like a drum. I change the phones 2 times a day. It's Niagara Falls in this pussy all day. Pussy so good, I'm on a trip to the bay. Soon as he put it in, that nigga calling me bae. I'm like, Poppy, wanna see a trick that's worth it? Juggle them balls in my mouth, deep throat circus. Drop something, pick it up slow on purpose. Watch me bend over, come daddy, I heard this. Free club, bitch, I'm sorry, I can't help it. He don't want me fucking nobody else, you selfish. Should've saw the face on that nigga when he felt this. Coming all down his dick, warm and melted. Remind ya, I'm kinda wet, running down my vagina. Wet, running down my vagina. Wet, running down my vagina. Remind ya, I'm kinda wet, running down my vagina. Wet, running down my vagina. Wet, running down my vagina.
There's no way. What the fuck? What the fuck? I actually did it. What? Hello? What the hell? What the fuck? Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. Holy shit. Oh, there's no way. There's actually no way. Oh, it's over. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? I beat Black Blizzard. I beat it.
Oh,
You beat Black Blizzard?
Yeah, I actually beat it.
Yeah,
the-
GG, man.
Oh,
Yay.
Let's fucking
Okay.
go. Let's
Look at this
go.
point.
I
Look at this
know.
point.
I know. I just.
Holy shit, man. Good on you, man.
Yeah.
what?
Let's go, dude.
Damn.
Okay, that's so bad. 43,910 attempts.